Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing with excellent power and fuel efficiency and four-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet. And then you have this button to activate your cargo lights, which can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath this rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and vinyl interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there. The backs of the seats also have zippered pouches and molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your car. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip information, my view, driver assistance features and settings, navigation, your now playing, phone controls, and further information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with adaptive steering, distance pacing technology, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, as well as having your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stalk. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls, auto start, stop, shut off, and hazards. You have a little tray area here, and then your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you have this tray area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there. Then you've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room and another USB and USB-C inside. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.